Answer short questions facts. 1. You will get 3 seconds to prepare and 10 seconds to answer after listening to the questions. 2. Answers should be within 1 to 2 words. 3. You must answer 6 to 7 short questions on the test day. 4. There will be an integrated scoring in listening and writing, contributing almost 5% marks in speaking and 4% in listening. Tips. 1. Be aware of the pronunciation of the words. Make sure that the software recognizes the words you have spoken. 2. Don't go blank for more than 3 seconds. What is the time afternoon called? What is the time afternoon called?
Answer: post-meridian.
What organ do cardiologists specialize in? What organ do cardiologists specialize in?
Answer: heart.
What features do pianos and computers have in common? What features do pianos and computers have in common?
Answer: a keyboard.
Where would you go to work out on a treadmill? Where would you go to work out on a treadmill?
Answer: a gym or gymnasium.
Which is the longest? A decade, a millennium, or a century? Which is the longest? A decade, a millennium, or a century?
Answer: a millennium.
What key mineral makes seawater different from fresh water? What key mineral makes seawater different from fresh water?
Answer: salt.
What instrument used to examine very small thing? What instrument used to examine very small thing?
Answer: microscope.
What is the destructive program that spread from computer to computer? What is the destructive program that spread from computer to computer?
Answer: a virus.
Who is person in charge of a football match? Who is person in charge of a football match?
Answer: the referee.
What is the antonym of predecessor? What is the antonym of predecessor?
Answer: successor.
On a computer, what is Times New Roman an example of? On a computer, what is Times New Roman an example of?
Answer: font.
What is 3/4 expressed as a percentage? What is 3/4 expressed as a percentage?
Answer: 75%.
What is the name of the punctuation mark that shows the end of a sentence? What is the name of the punctuation mark that shows the end of a sentence?
Answer: full stop.
Kilograms, ounces, tons and stones are types of units to measure what? Kilograms, ounces, tons and stones are types of units to measure what?
Answer: weight.
What do you call a university student who has not yet attained a degree? What do you call a university student who has not yet attained a degree?
Answer: undergraduate.